What if I told you there's a company making money from every step of the AI revolution? Yet, hardly anyone talks about it compared to other AI stocks. This is not Nvidia. This is the infrastructure AI runs on. Broadcom is one of the most important players in today's AI revolution. It doesn't create intelligence itself. It builds the network that makes it possible. And that turns out to be a very smart strategy. Back in the 19th century, during the gold rush, it wasn't the gold miners who made the most money. It was the people selling the tools. Broadcom follows a similar approach. Instead of competing to build the best AI, it provides the tools and infrastructure for those who do. And that might be the smarter game. Over the past few years, the company has grown rapidly. Revenue has reached nearly $64 billion, and growth is accelerating. But the real story is somewhere else. Broadcom's AI segment is growing exponentially, from around $12 billion to over $20 billion. This is not linear growth. This is an exponential curve. Broadcom provides the technologies used by the world's largest tech companies. Without them, AI simply wouldn't work. After acquiring VMware, Broadcom gained a second pillar: software. This brings stable revenue and extremely high margins. The company generates tens of billions in cash flow and ranks among the most profitable tech companies in the world. It entered fiscal year 2026 with strong momentum, confirming its growing importance in the global AI ecosystem. Broadcom continues to prove it can combine innovation with strong financial performance. Rising demand for AI accelerators and advanced networking solutions has made AI the company's primary growth engine. In the first quarter of fiscal 2026, Broadcom once again delivered strong results. Revenue reached $19.31 billion, beating expectations. Adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.05. Semiconductors generated $12.52 billion, while software contributed $6.8 billion. Operating income and EBITDA remained extremely strong, highlighting the company's ability to generate massive cash flow while continuing to invest in future growth. Broadcom is also strengthening its position in AI infrastructure. It works with major players like OpenAI, Google, and Meta, providing the critical components needed to scale advanced AI systems. Management believes the company is on track to reach $100 billion in AI-related revenue by 2027. Looking ahead, Broadcom expects revenue of around $22 billion next quarter, well above analyst expectations. The company continues expanding in custom AI chips, including accelerators and networking solutions for data centers. At the same time, it is strengthening its software ecosystem and investing in long-term infrastructure. A new $10 billion share buyback program also signals strong confidence from management. Financially, the trend is clear. Revenue is growing. Profitability is improving. Margins remain strong. Broadcom is generating real value for shareholders while maintaining financial discipline. Its stock has recently outperformed major indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 after a period of volatility. Valuation is also becoming more balanced as earnings grow into previous expectations. From a valuation perspective, a discounted cash flow model suggests a fair value around $435 per share, compared to a current price near $317. That implies a potential upside of roughly 35 to 40%. Analysts are largely bullish. Many recommend holding or even increasing positions. After a recent correction, the stock may present an attractive entry point. According to CEO Hock Tan, AI chip revenue could exceed $100 billion in the coming years. Even then, Nvidia is expected to remain the dominant player, with significantly higher AI data center revenue. Of course, there are risks. The biggest one? Expectations. The market is pricing in near-perfect performance, and if growth slows, the stock could react sharply. Still, Broadcom stands out as a highly compelling opportunity. It may not be the loudest AI stock, but it might be one of the most important. Because while others are building intelligence, Broadcom is building the world it runs on.